Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. December 9, Monday again. Let's hope that tomorrow will not be Friday again. So, starting with Bitcoin on weekly chart, I think is the best way to start an overview. And let's go on Bitcoin. Not that one, this one. You can see we accepted for the first time and we closed daily and weekly candle above 100k. Yeah, it's a nice way to put it. We accepted 100k, but as you can see now, the price is retracing a little bit. It's still fighting that 100k level. I know a lot of people are assuming that, okay, we accepted, we should go straight up. Well, not quite. We can go and retest even the weekly. On the weekly time frame, you can retest 75 at some point. So don't assume that, well, okay, we accepted above 100 and we'll go straight to 150. Not that easy. Or let's put it that way, will be too easy. Now, we accepted. Indicators on weekly chart are still strong. I don't see divergence here. You can see nothing bad. Nothing bad on OBV. So on weekly we are still strong. Now, let's go on daily. Well, on daily is not so funny anymore. You can see the divergence here. If we'll have the second yam, and we have the first one. If we'll have the second one, that's kind of a selling signal. Not the strongest one. It's stronger if we'll be through 50 line. Not my way of seeing the market. It's from Brian Beamish. But from what I noticed, when you have a trend, when the market is moving in one or other direction and for a reversal, this kind of thinking on RSI, it's quite accurate. So I like it. Let's see what will happen here. We had this dark maul candle last week, and I still think we are in the same range, still playing the range game, until we'll either accept below, either we'll accept above. And even then, if you'll see a touch below, that doesn't mean necessarily a breakdown, means maybe a fake out. And you know or you should know the range game. Every breakout, it's a fake out until you are proving wrong. So I think we can fight this 100 level for longer. I know, a lot of people will say, well, market is not moving. It's not moving in your direction in that second and that hour and that day. Market is overall bullish, overall strong. Altcoins, they are set to push higher with or without a weekly W retest. Hopefully we'll have a retest. So that's Bitcoin on weekly and daily chart. Ethereum still in the uptrend channel. We accepted and we closed. If we'll put the weekly, we closed the weekly candle at $4,000. You can see here the close was $4,007 or kind of. Okay, let's see, close $4,004. Yeah, and now we are retracing a little bit. Don't expect price to stay too long in this area on Ethereum, because Ethereum has a bad habit of pushing straight up, and you can see what we had here on weekly basis. We had the W's up, not even a clear retest, and up again. And we can do the same until we'll attack the 4,800 all-time high. So I love the fact that the market is strong and is pushing higher. Don't think, well, we'll go tomorrow. We are still in that environment. Buy the dip. As I said, let's put the Bitcoin again. 2024 is buy the dip year. Well, it still is. Specifically on altcoins. Okay. Back on Ethereum, on daily chart, we are still in this uptrend channel. Yeah. Still in this channel, still pushing higher. If we correct, it's a buying opportunity. I don't want to hear on Crypto Traders Arena, I shorted this altcoin or I shorted that altcoin. I want to see, well, I'm patiently waiting for a dip and I'll buy the dip because that's the way you make money in a bull market. Not try to find reversal at any corner. Please understand that. Please don't post more setups. Well, I see a reversal. I see a bearish divergence. Okay. If you see it, don't buy. Wait for a dip. But don't short. Yeah, you can hedge short on Bitcoin. Maybe from time to time on Ethereum. But that's it. Why do you want to short in a bull market? Was profitable to buy in a bear market? It will be the same way it will be in a bull market if you try to short. Okay. Uptrend channel valid. Indicators, well, you can see potential bearish divergence here, but only potential, so we can push a lot higher. You can see this channel is slowly pointing out to the all-time high. Hopefully will be well respected and we'll attack that level, finally. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I'm still hoping for a retracement here for me to see that weekly W forming. On daily, we are still in an uptrend channel. We are attacking the high here. If we'll accept, we can push even higher. I don't like to see a V bottom. I love to see at least an inverse head and shoulder. So assuming this is the shoulder, this is the head, and we'll form another shoulder here. If we are thinking head and shoulder, we should not push too deep in the long reload zone. Yeah, a valid shoulder here should be higher than this level. I don't like the idea that we'll push straight up, but who knows? Okay, Bitcoin dominance on daily is trying to make a W here, trying to prepare something to attack this 38.2 bounce, dead cat bounce level. For the moment, he's trying. I don't see anything special. It's slowing down. It's not dropping like a hammer anymore. It slowed down a little bit. And at some point in time, we'll see a retest of this level or 61.8. I said it multiple times. At least it's slowing down. It's not dropping like a hammer. I want that retest, and then that retest will be kind of buy opportunity for altcoins, and then maybe we can get a serious altcoin season. Because most of the coins, they even give us a double, people. Or they give us just a double. That's not altcoin season. That's not how the altcoins are moving in general. This is just a taste of what a real altcoin season could do. People with experience know that. When you see a coin at one price in the night and in the morning you see it 2 times higher, well, that's altcoin season. Or 5 times higher. Slowly pushing, slowly moving, that's not. It's just preparing for something nice. Okay. That's the overview here. A lot of coins, like I said, they are trying. Let's put the weakest one. You can see retesting, maybe 1 inch, maybe if we're lucky we'll retest this level. We need a kind of strong dump to retest these levels, but well, it's possible. It's all we want. You can see here, maybe we'll go back down here, retest the initial W. Ape here, maybe we'll come back down. We completed the AB equals CD. On daily here you can even draw a long reload zone and wait. It will be similar with this level I already draw, but so there are some coins trying to retest. Mubi on weekly chart, you can go back on weekly and look at it. It's trying to do something. And I saw multiple ones doing the same. You can see this one is still at the entry level. Some of the altcoins are still buyable. It's up to you people. I'll not go on each and every altcoin to show you the level. I'm usually posting the levels in the premium part on the investments. So there you'll find a lot of ideas, a lot of weekly W retests kind of thinking. Okay, now let's go on a lower time frame. Well, seems like our shark is still playable, is still in play. Now you can see my white line, why it was so important. Look at the fight every time we are touching that line. It's like a strong support and resistance. Just look at it. Now we are below that level and it's behaving like a resistance. I'm short and I'm okay with keeping my short here to hedge my portfolio, to make some money, because even with the hedge you can make some money. It's not only to protect your capital. I'm waiting with a long idea here. Maybe I'm a bit aggressive and market will never reach that level. We'll see. I'll take also if I'll see a W in the long reload zone. So if I'll see something like this, I'll take it. That will be a kind of general setup. Maybe W a bit higher, a bit lower, I don't know. But I prefer to have, in case of something will happen, I prefer to have the shark waiting in the market. Why? Market could drop immediately here and then bounce straight up. Hit my entry, hit my take profit, and I'm out. I made some money. So the shark, usually I'll set it way before market will reach that level. Okay. At this point in time, we are still fighting 100k. And we can fight here for a longer period of time. Beginners to lose a lot of money trying to play the breakouts here. And then we can resume higher. We'll see. Ethereum, last night I posted to take some profit from this trade. Market was here. I'm not saying cannot go to 4,800, but will go straight there. I could enter again if I want. I could add to my position if I'll see an opportunity, but definitely at 8 to 1 I should take some profit here when I see the market slowing down. Look at this on 4-hour chart. It's definitely market indicators at least are trying to tell us something. Well, really strong, we made some money, take some off the table. Simple as that. Let's see the chat. First of all, good morning everyone, especially Stefan, he's the good morning guy. Hey Hania, hey Shogun, hey Tolga, hey Sebastian. Sorry guys, I didn't say good morning as usual. Yeah, buying pressure. Yeah, if you see the market pushing and accepting that level and closing the candle on higher time frame, that's strength. Stefan, you call it buying pressure. I call it the market is strong, and that you can see that in a close. Yeah, Sebastian, retracement is buying opportunity if will come, but you saw what kind of retracement we had so far. Hey Richard. Small retracements and nice bounces. I love this environment because I could make easy money. Yeah, for me it's easy money. I see the dip. Okay, it's not a serious one. I buy some altcoins. They are pumping. Close 50%. Trail the rest. Okay, made some money. You don't have to think too much. You don't have to wait too much. We waited, indeed, we waited 3 years for this environment. Now we have to take advantage. Some people are still managing to be break even or to lose money in this environment. Well, hopefully not one of us. So that's Ethereum here. We can slow down a little bit. I think we can. We are big fat round number $4,000. Yeah. So remember that big round number. Big round number. Big round number. Okay. Okay, we can push higher and we accept above that level, but look what happened. It's okay for us to expect or fight here. Yeah. We can lose the fight a little bit and retest even 3,600. Yeah, we can. Even lower will be a buying opportunity, yes. But why the fuck I should not close some of my profit here? When I see that it's $4,000, I see the yams forming there. I see the bearish divergence in indicators. No? Look at OBV here. It's trying to tell us something. No? It's making a yam. It's making a divergence. We have the same on MACD. The same on RSI. We are not blind. We are not moon boys to say, well, no, we cannot go lower. Let's take some profit off the table. We can add to the remaining if will be the case. We can take a new trade. This is my 2 cents. Yeah, we should book some profit, but it's a profit. And it's a nice one. At 8 or 9 R, it's a damn nice profit. Leave a moon bag there at a 25% from the entire trade. Let it open there and see what happens. Keep your stop loss all the way down here on the remaining. Was a nice trade, but let's not be moon boys. For me, it feels like when you have the AB equals CD target touched, because which was touched here. Look at it. It's 100% or almost. Yeah? It's stupid not to take the profit off. You are at the target. You are a completion of AB equals CD. After AB equals CD usually follows a correction and another attempt to do an AB equals CD, because that's how the trends are working. And you are not taking the profit off. Why? I don't get it. Anyway, I sent the message yesterday. Hope some people took some profit. Don't close everything. Keep a moon bag and see what happens. Now, you can see on my list, everything is red. Okay? All is red. That's correction. We don't step in front of it. We wait for Bitcoin to finish the correction. When we see a 3-bar fractal on 50-minute chart, 1-hour chart, or we see reversal signs on Bitcoin or stop dropping, we can hunt with Holy Grail. We can hunt with the classical setups. Some entries on altcoins. If you are with the Holy Grail on 1 hour, you will get the entries without doing anything, because the market will touch your entry, you'll get the signal, and you should enter long. It's easier than to think each and every one. Now let's try to find 1 hour, see what happens here. 1 hour, I can see this one, it's a bit too aggressive, it's going down. I was hoping for a long here, didn't work. If we'll hit the stop loss, I think we hit the stop loss on the other on 50-minute chart. Yeah, we should be out on 50-minute on this one. If you're on hour, okay, you are still there. Let's go on 1 hour and find something strong. Can we find something strong? Yeah. For example, if you want Pepe, the discussion is about Pepe now. Well, Pepe will give us an entry if the market will drop a little bit more. You can take this one? Of course you can take it. But it's up to you. Similar with not. Yeah? You can see uptrend. I'll prefer to take the trade after this high is taking out, but okay. Entry level could bounce from here, yes. Anything else you can do or you should do when you are trading with Holy Grail on 1 hour? No, just wait for the entry, take the trade. Okay, look at Doge. We know if this will be a win. No way to do that. So overall we can still how to say it, buy the dip, but a little bit on higher time frame. We had that nice environment where a 50-minute chart, you see a dip and you buy it. Well, now we have to zoom out a little bit on 1 hour, in my opinion, and buy the dip. If we'll keep dipping, okay, I have 2 or 3 trades, I'll get stop loss, I'll lose a little bit of money, I'll stay out from the market until I'll see new opportunities. After I made a lot of money last week and last 2 weeks, I'm okay with that. But don't be too greedy. Don't, bet the house on a bounce. It's not the correct way to trade. Let's find some open list. Let's find the Binance futures. Okay, that's it. Let's see that we have some strong ones. Well, some of them are still strong. Look at this one. Someone go and tell this altcoin that Bitcoin is retracing. Doesn't know. AB equals CTN is pushing higher. Turbo, similar. Well, Bitcoin is retracing. Everything is correcting. What you are doing? Why you are going up? Well, when you see these strong ones giving you an entry, I think it's better to hunt on strong coins. Coins that are moving. You should hunt long ideas. This one is on futures, is kind of new. W's, well, on 1 hour. But I see some W's here. So if you go on 50-minute chart, I think you can look at it. Don't take it here. Why? It's flat. It's not an uptrend. It's consolidation here, like you saw on 1 hour. Wait for this high to be taken out and then a retracement, and you'll see some steps on Holy Grail, and then you can take the trade. You are not betting you'll get an entry here and stop and take profit here. You are betting for a really nice move to the upside. Okay? Okay. Well, Bitcoin is bouncing again. Look at Floki, similar on 50-minute chart. So there are some strong ones we can play. Similar here. Wait for the market to take the highs, and then at the retracement you can take an entry. 50-minute chart, 1 hour chart, and so on. You can see on 1 hour you had yesterday. You had an entry here. Not too many of them are on green, but that could change in a New York session, in a London session, and then a New York session. Red weekend? I don't know about that. We'll see. Anyway, idea is we have a trend, and Holy Grail is still the best tool to use and make some money. Now, that being said, I think we covered almost everything. Let me show you in the live stream, because I see still enough people here. I don't know how many of you know how to add a new watch list, because nothing else is working, seems like. You go here, okay? Well, expand this one if you want. If you want USDT, you just type here USDT, okay? You go on the exchange and select your exchange, any exchange you want. And for example, I want Binance, okay? And then here on USDT, you can see you have another one. And go, if you want spot, you take the spot, you select spot. If you want perpetual, take the perpetual. Futures will show you the futures market, not the perpetual. So let's say I want spot, okay? And I have 401 matches. Control A, or how you have, I have Command A for Mac. Okay, and then right click and add selected to watch list. Make a new watch list, give it a nice name like I did here, Binance Futures, yeah, or in this case, make a new list with Binance Spot, add all these coins, and you have a new list with all the coins on Spot on Binance. Simple as that. Okay? You don't have to overcomplicate things. You don't have to. If there are more than 1,000 coins, you cannot make a list bigger than 1,000. But usually it's below. You can see on Spot on Binance is 400, on Futures is less. On KuCoin, I guess it's, let's see, KuCoin here. So you have to unselect Binance and go on, find KuCoin. Okay. You can see 900 coins on KuCoin. Okay. On Spot. 924. Well, a bit more. So from 924, I think you can have a really big list where you can check for weekly Ws. No? So don't tell me, well, I don't find ideas. Well, you are not looking properly, because you can find a lot of ideas in this market. From 900 coins, I bet I could find 5 or 10 that they are okay-ish at the buying level, and they are good enough fundamentally for me to buy and hope for sell half on a double. No? Simple as that. So first of all, you go here. If you want against USDT, you type USDT. You go on the exchange and select the exchange. Be damn sure you have only one exchange that you want. And then you go here on this one and you select what kind of market you want. If you want all the markets, you put any. If you want spot, you put spot. Futures is for traditional market. Yeah, futures, what we call futures, is actually perpetual. Okay? Then you go and select all, right click, add to watch list, and you have your list. It's simple, easy to do. You can make whatever list you want. You can go on the screener here and select some conditions and make up temporary. You make a special list with the coins that they are weak, that they are strong, that they are. That's why you have the screener. This screener is kind of complete. Doesn't have all the tools, but we can work with it. And we can find some ideas. We can screen the market. That's the idea. Hey, Alexandru. So I hope that helps. I had that problem. Miku told me a couple of weeks, but I forgot how he told me. And I searched, I find a short video. I already posted that video in the useful links. That's the way you can make a easy. This is the easy way to make a list with what you want. Okay. Now, back on the charts. It's Monday. Assuming that the market will go straight up or straight down, it's not the best solution. Market could range a little bit more in a Monday environment. Find the Monday low, Monday high. I could see that bounce on Bitcoin being strong and push higher and accept back above 100K. Yeah. It's Monday, but in the same time, Bitcoin is fucking strong. Altcoins have a lot of room to recover. So, if I'll see, when I see environments like this, I stop thinking. I'll take the Holy Grail if it will give me something okay. If not, I'll just sit out and wait. Stupid trader approach. I think is the best. Well, that being said, people, I think we can close the live stream. We have half an hour. We did an overview last night with weekly crypto review, so not too many things we can say new about the market from last night until now. Let's call it a live stream. Let's try to make some money, but focusing protecting capital here. This environment is so nice that you don't have to trade every moment. This environment is nice enough for you to stay and wait until you see opportunity, like you find cash on the floor and just go and pick it up. That's the weekly W retest kind of idea. Huh? When you see the weekly double, you see the retest. Well, look at here. Let's put some money at work. Make some money. Easy way to make money. Enjoy this environment because it will not last more than 6 months. And then we are back on the hard environment where it's hard to make money. Okay, that being said, let's call it a live stream and see you people in the New Year session. Bye bye.